This time we stayed at Potters Creek Park in Canyon Lake, Texas. This was a park that we stayed at right after the ice storm in Texas in February. It's about halfway between San Antonio and Austin, and it's right on Lake Canyon, which is a beautiful, clean lake. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. The campground has 6 loops and very spacious sites. And of course, most of them are right on the water. Potters Creek Park is situated on the northern shore of Canyon Lake in the rolling hill country of south central Texas. It has cool breezes off the lake, which create a pleasant environment for relaxing in the scenic area. The lake and Guadalupe River also provide great opportunities for boating, fishing, and swimming. The park is open year-round and offers RV and tent sites, as well as overnight screen shelters and a group site, all with electric and water hookups. Every site has a picnic table, fire ring and grill, water and electricity. Park amenities include flush toilets, showers, drinking water, and 2 dump stations. The park also has 2 boat ramps with docks, a fishing pier, and a beach. Rangers patrol the park and hosts are on site year-round. Hate these blind back ends. Come on, Tote. There we go. Looking good. Come more to the driver if you can. There you go. That's good. Okay, now, if the truck will fit next door, you're about to hit the curb in about 8 feet, 5 feet, 4, 3, 2.5, 1, and stop. Okay, you're on top on one side. Actually, if you move over about 1 foot to the passenger, your tires on the tote will straddle the curb. Okay, come on back, cut it a little bit, now come straight, 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 a little bit more to the passenger. Ooh boy, it's going to be close. Okay, straight, more to the passenger, and keep on coming. You just barely touch it. Stop. Come on out and see if you think you like it here.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Well, we made it to the spot on the lake. That's our fire ring there. That's our little picnic shelter area there with the grill. And then we've got Dixie and Zippy and Leroy all here in the same spot. Thought we might have to put Leroy someplace else, but it's all good. And like no neighbors. There's a lake, pretty lake, nice view. Wish it was warmer. Lake's down quite a bit. And no neighbors. I have a feeling a lot of people probably canceled just for the fact that they had this ice storm. And it's freaking cold. And we got a bathhouse right there. We have 50 amp in water, so Got the bathhouse right across from us. And let's take a look back here. I have a little pad area here. And then walk out to our little picnic area. Come out back here, and if it were warm out, I would use the tote as a porch. So then there's our view. We have a little beach down there right now. The park is settled among juniper and native oaks on gently sloping terrain on the shores of Canyon Lake. Thick oak and juniper surround the upper campsites. Sites are closer to the waterfront are in full sun. Grassy fields of native hill country plants and wildflowers dot the landscape. Visitors enjoy coming to Canyon Lake for boating, swimming, and fishing. The Guadalupe River is a great location for canoeing, kayaking, and tubing. Both the lake and river are stocked with a variety of fish, including various bass, catfish, or river trout. Hiking, biking, horseback riding, birding, and wildlife viewing are popular activities in the surrounding hills. If the weather was better, we would have loved to ride our bikes through there. 5 trails are available at different locations around the lake. There is a mountain biking trail, a horse trail, and several foot trails. You cannot rent any items from the park, but must bring your own gear for all recreational activities. They have a lot of amenities, which include accessible showers, boat dock, boat ramp, boat trailer parking, drinking water, dump station, electric hookups, entrance station, a host, paved parking, paved roads, paved sites. Pets are allowed, electrical and water hookups, flush toilets, grills, parking areas, table and benches, water spigots at your site, lake access, lights, campfire rings, paved pathways, picnic tables, grills, fire rings, and a cooking area. Canyon Lake is near many sites of interest, including natural bridge caverns and the historic town of 𝗣𝗟𝗏 in New Braunfels. Potters Creek is a United States Army Corps of Engineers park, so you have to reserve online at recreation.gov. And if you're over 62 years old, I recommend that you get America the Beautiful lifetime membership card, which will give you half off at all federal parks. We were in Site 95, and it cost us $15 a day. There is an H-E-B grocery store about 25 minutes away in New Braunfels, and there's also a restaurant called Granny D's, which is not too far away, that we'd recommend. Don't want to fill up our gray tank using our shower because we have been on the road, boondocking for 2 days, and then at the campground without sewer. Going to be here for 6. So, want to use their water. Well, I don't know that these are the nicest ones I've been to, but huge. Private rooms, taking showers in. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.